Hey, good morning. This is Clay with Clay's AC and Auto Repair and Clay Motion here in Grand Rapids, Michigan. If this video is helpful, please subscribe, click the notification box, and let's do our thing. So I wanted to talk to you about my work boots. This is totally unsolicited. Every once in a while I'll say something about a product that I get that I really enjoy. I do a lot of walking. I probably walk, when I was keeping track of it, anywhere from 6 to 10 miles a day, in my duties of working on cars and walking around the car lot and stuff like that back when I owned one. And I wanted to talk to you about these boots that I bought. I paid good money for these boots. They're Wolverine Raiders 6. And then the most important part is the serial number right here. WO2421. I had a lot of luck. These particular boots, it's August, end of August 2018. These ones I bought in about October of 2014, if I remember right. And it may have been 15. I guess that's not the point. Obviously, the outer edge, I have a issue with my feet where I walk on my ankle, on the corner of my ankles. I don't know, maybe I'm dirt to dirt. But anyways, so I bought a brand new pair. I had paid about $240 for these, $230, $240, and it kind of made me a little bit sick. It was the most expensive pair of boots I'd ever bought. But the boots overall were just simply excellent. Over the years, and I wore them up until I just found these boots recently. But like, I had some tears and stuff like that, some seams coming out. But for me, the wear on the tread was great. These are oil resistant bottoms. They got a bunch of stuff that they talk about on that sticker there. And I can't say enough. Now this pair I bought was 130-ish, and I just got these from Sears. They were on sale, and I'm like, I'm pretty sure they're the exact same boots I have, and I love my boots. I mean, I really do. But I think for the money, I'm really happy. Hopefully this pair lasts me another 5 years or so, or 3 years at least, with all the walking I do, and it overall saved me a lot of money instead of buying Walmart fall apart stuff and having the discomfort in my feet. And I honestly considered getting these boots fixed. That's how much I liked them, but I'm very happy and blessed that I found another pair. Hey, Wolverine, if you guys want to send me some boots, I'd be happy to try them out. But I absolutely love these. Hope it's helpful for you guys, and hope it helps you guys make a decision. Obviously, they withstood tons and tons and tons of oil and gas and everything else, just like they claim to do. And that's pretty much the label on there. So take it easy, guys. Subscribe, click my notifications, keep sending me the nice comments. Remember, if any other man can do it, you can do it too.